Has Printful become too expensive for you to make a profit? Or maybe they're out of stock of a specific color you're selling and you need a backup print provider to help you out. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily import your Etsy orders to Printify to save you time and headache. First, go and select Other Orders, and then select the order that you want to import. And now hit the green button that says Select Product. You can now either select an existing product you have already created in Printify, or you can select Catalog and create a new product. For this example though, I will select an existing product that I've already created. You will then need to choose the color and size the customer ordered. After doing so, I recommend checking this box here where it says automatically import orders with this product variant because it'll save you time for future orders for this specific variant. And then select confirm. And then double check everything and make sure it is correct. And in the top right hand corner, select import order and then select confirm. And then you'll need to either wait or refresh the page to submit the order. And then in the top right hand corner, select fulfill order to send it into production. No matter what provider you're currently using, knowing how to import your Etsy orders into Printify can be extremely useful if you ever need a backup provider or if you've decided to make the switch over to Printify. I always recommend having a backup print partner, especially during the holiday season when stock issues can get stressful. If you haven't watched this video yet, I highly recommend watching it. I share 6 simple ingredients to get your first 100 sales and more. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on new videos that will help take your Etsy shop from a hobby to a full-time job. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.